Okay, so we're back. I've got my black fondant and I've got some petal dust and luster dust here that we're going to color the barn with. Now the barn, I want it to look like a wood, red wood, like it's painted. And so what I want to do is take just this paring knife and we're just going to draw little lines to resemble wood. Just here and there. I mean, it's nothing, nowhere in particular really. Okay, so I have that. Can kind of brush off that extra chocolate there. And then what I'm going to do is just take the brush. This is a poppy red. It's a petal dust, which is a matte dusting powder. I'm going to take that and I'm going to kind of brush the chocolate. Since the chocolate isn't, you know, a deep enough red that I like, so I'm going to go ahead and pop some of this on. And then I like to take a little bit of the raspberry color, and raspberry is a luster dust, so it has that little bit of a sheen to it. And brush that on top. And that just helps make it even a little bit deeper in color. Okay, so it was this color light and now it's a little bit darker. Okay, so once that's done, I'll go ahead and move it back on here. Get this out of the way a little bit. Now I've got my black fondant. I need to roll this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the little loft window up here, and I'm going to make the entrance, which will be behind the door, since our doors will be slightly open. I'm going to need a little bit of black behind there. So if the doors are going to be right about like this, this was our pattern, remember? And then our loft window, this might be a little big, so let me cut this out. And then I think I will go ahead and trim it, make it a little smaller with my pizza cutter. So if you don't have a little cookie cutter like that, just cut it out with your pizza cutter, because that's pretty much what I'm ending up doing here. To attach this, I'm going to take a little bit of shortening, since I'm attaching it to chocolate. It's going to stick the best. Pop this over, put it right up there. Okay, and then I'll use this as a pattern. Place this down here. Just to be safe, I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, right at the bottom, hopefully in the center. If I actually take a ruler, I can kind of push it wherever I need it to go and straighten the lines up. Oh yeah, that's much better.